Okay guys, so I wanted to go over a few things with you to make sure you know what you're supposed to do. So on this KC Fitness, it's kind of wrapping up the last two labs that we did and doing them all in one. So as you read through here, this is just them saying that they have some nutritional supplements that they want to try out for people, but there's three things that they want to make sure that these nutritional supplements have. One, that it contains glucose. Two, that it contains protein, and that it has a high level of calories. So they're having us test out two different ones, and we're going to have to run glucose tests on them, protein tests, and then we're going to have to burn the food to see the calories. All right, so this memo is the most important part because you're going to be doing two things. We're going to answer which sports snack most closely matches the requirements. That means that it has glucose, protein, and high calorie. Number two, which sports snack will you recommend based off of number one? And number three, what is the nutritional information for the recommended sports snack? So this is the nutritional label right here. This is number three. So if you fill that out, then you've done number three. All right, so it says, I will supply you with several pieces of each sample to test the calorie content. So I've given each group content A and food A and food B. Now, if you wanted to come in after 2 o'clock or on a Friday, you could do this also. You should repeat the calorimeter experiments 3 times. So that means we're doing 3 trials for food A and 3 trials for food B. And then we're going to average those results to get the average. In addition, I've ground up some sample and dissolved them in water. You can use the Sports Snack Solutions to test for, when it says organic compounds, that means you're testing for that glucose and that protein. So once you've done those tests, you're going to have a letter. You're going to have a letter that should contain the following: your team's conclusion concerning these three, a neat table titled, which summarizes your calorimeter data, which I'm going to show you here in a second, a table for your organic molecule test, a design, and this design is going to be I believe it says up here, a 6x4-inch design for the box, and the nutrition label that is right here. So those are those bullet points. That's what you have to turn in. All right, so as far as these charts that you have to do though, when we were determining calories in food, this one right here, what students did today is they wrote down this chart, and instead of food sample 1, they put A test 1, A test 2, A test 3, and then here instead of food sample 4, they put B test 1, B test 3, or 2, B test 3, and then they also made this chart right here, and instead of food sample 1, it was A test 1, A test 2, A test 3, B test 1, B test 2, B test 3, but this all stayed the same. So they're making those two charts, and so then as I post pictures, or if you want to come in and do this yourself, you will start to complete these charts based off of the pictures that I have. All right, then the table that tells if it's got glucose or protein, you'll just need to do a small table, probably a 3x2, because you could have food A, food B, and then you would have, does it have protein, does it have glucose? You just put down what you saw. All right, and that is it. That's all that I have for you right now. The kids just got their charts together. Tomorrow they'll start testing. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day. Bye.